Texas. He loves chicken, and when he grows up, he wants to be a basketball player.
All right, well, hopefully that's a future Houston Rocket. But today he's mutton busting on Mary's Revenge.